Hey guys, and good Sunday morning to you. It's Jason with JWClassicVW and Goose, my 56 oval window. I wanted to go ahead and bring you some tech tips today. Have you ever ran out of rags? Use your wife's sheets. Do you have a linen closet full of sheets in your house? Well, you can turn those sheets into rags. Is your rag box turning into an oily mess? My rag box is. First off, I'd like to recommend you guys get a metal can to keep your rags in. This is just a fire hazard. It smells like one too. Safety wire. Safety wire is good for a lot of different things. You can use it on castle nuts if they have a hole in them. You can use them on your drive line if they have a hole on them. That's what we're doing today. Safety wire you can get for about $1 or $2 at the dollar store. That's where I got a pack of a bunch of different safety wires. We got black, we got red, and this is the one I like to use for safety wire. There are special tools for using safety wire, but you can just use a pair of pliers. You don't need anything special. Underneath your back seat, you have a little shift coupler that joins your shift rod that goes to your actual shifter to your transmission nose cap. And it right there, right here, there's special little square nuts that hold this coupler into place. It's a good idea. I also use Loctite to use a little Loctite and safety wire to keep these from coming loose, because they will. I had one come loose and it fell down inside there, and it probably took me a good hour to fish that thing out of there. So those little holes that are there for a reason. You add some safety wire. The next tech tip I would like to discuss with you guys actually has to do with engine building. I learned this trick a while ago from an engine builder in California, that if you're installing a new piston set on your engine, it's a good idea to help mate those surfaces between the cylinder and the actual cylinder head. It's a good idea before you do this process to go ahead and clean up the cylinder in this area here. Then you'll go ahead and apply your valve grinding compound around the edge of your cylinder. Probably spend about a minute or two of just rotating the cylinder inside the head, and this will help mate the cylinder to the cylinder head. It's a good little trick. So I wanted to take a second and kind of talk to you guys a little bit about the budget build, the budget big block build I'm going to be doing. There's a couple of different things that I'm kind of contemplating, and I wouldn't mind getting some of your guys' advice on that. So you can see there that I put down CB or not to CB, and that's with CB Performance. I've looked at their engine kits a few times, and they're pretty pricey for the kit that I'm looking at, the 2165 kit. It's just under $5,000. Yeah, here you can see the Builder's Choice kit for right at $4574.95. This is before tax, and you have other options you choose here as well. But I'm sure that with tax they'd put me over $5,000, and that is well beyond a budget build as far as I'm concerned. Scat or not Scat, Scat has a kit that you can buy, a 2165 kit that is around just under $1,000 before tax and shipping. And here you see the Scat Volt Stroker kit for just under $1,000 before tax. But I'm also talking to some of my local VW shops about getting some reconditioned forged piston, well not pistons, but forged crank, and picking up the rest of the parts that I need to put together the engine. I'm hoping at the swap meet that we have coming up here in March that I can find some good parts for a good deal for my engine build, because I'm really looking forward to doing this big block build. As you can see, the 2165 is that 78 crank with a 78 stroke and the 94 pistons. And I've also seen a few people selling sets of 44 IDFs on Facebook. Anybody got any advice? Anybody got any ideas? I'm pretty sure that a set of 44s jetted right would be great for my 2165 and really liven up my ride. I'm also gonna probably pick up a set of disc brakes from CB Performance. Here you can see the CB Performance disc brakes. This is the upgraded cost with the drilled and slotted rotors. Pretty fancy. I'm going to do the front brakes and the master cylinder on my 56 oval. I think that's probably a good idea to go ahead and get those front brakes on there to go along with the big engine, because no one wants to die, right? So, gotta be able to stop. I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out again to some of my subscribers. We got the Busman up here, the Busman sticker, and VW Life. I got your guys' sticker up here. If anybody else would like to send me a sticker to add to the board, that would be great. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. JWClassicVW. And I'm coming up with my own decal right now, or an idea for my own decal. Let's see if I can get a little closer for you guys. An idea for my own decal, and I'm thinking something like this. What do y'all think? Is that pretty cool? They make the, it's an idea right now, so it'd be kind of a cool sticker. But shout out again, VW Life and Dan the Busman. Stay warm, brother. I know it's cold up there. If you need to get a hold of me or have any comments, it's JWClassicVW at yahoo.com. That's my email. And also, we have a Facebook page, so be sure to join the Facebook group. It's JWClassicVW, and come on over and share your projects and what you guys are working on. Anything that's garage content. It doesn't have to be Volkswagen specific, but it would be great to have some more members come over there. Really cool news. If you guys have been paying attention to my channel at all today, I officially went over 100 subscribers. Very cool, very cool. When you guys get a chance to, check out my playlists on my channel. It's a bunch of different videos from other YouTubers that I find interesting and that I think might be helpful to my subscribers. So go ahead and check out those channels and give some of those guys some likes. Thanks to all my subscribers, and I really do appreciate you joining and adding your comments. Have a great rest of your weekend and the rest of your Sunday, and get out there and work in your garage, guys. Get some stuff done in your projects.